Welcome back, Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council, joining us. Valentine's Day just around the corner.
I know, isn't it crazy? It's February already.
It's amazing.
The year's going to fly by.
So what do you got for us today?
Okay, so I have two steak recipes and kind of a little bit non-traditional steak cuts for Valentine's Day. Usually I think of tenderloin as Valentine's Day special, but I have a recipe with a flat iron and I have a recipe with a top round steak, so an economical steak recipe. So let's start with the flat iron. They're called porcini dusted steaks with horseradish crust, and actually you could use any steak in this recipe, any tender steak. So I took a flat iron, they come about 1 3/4 pounds, and I cut it into quarters, so nice serving size. And then I rubbed the steaks with dried porcini mushrooms, which you can find in the supermarket these days pretty easily, and some cracked black pepper. Sauteed them up on my stovetop, like in a really nice heavy cast iron skillet, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then I topped them with cream style horseradish mixture with some Dijon mustard and fresh chives, and then sprinkled on breadcrumbs, and then popped them in a 425-degree oven. So for only about 10 minutes. So if you have an oven-safe meat thermometer, you could put that right in one of the flat irons, pull it out at 135, 140, let them rest like you do any other steaks, like off the grill or your prime rib roast at the holidays. Let it rest, and that temperature will continue to rise to 145 degrees for a nice, perfect medium rare. And then make your favorite side dishes, some steamed green beans or a vegetable, Brussels sprouts, some potatoes, a nice salad, and you have an awesome, delicious, like steakhouse recipe here in your own kitchen for Valentine's Day in about 45 minutes.
Looks great. All right, what's the second one?
Second recipe is called Dijon beef rolls. So yeah, I took a top round steak, and you might want to call ahead for this and ask for an extra thin top round, and then pound it even a little more thin, 1/4 inch, because that top round really needs to be tenderized that way, because we're not going to do a tenderizing cooking method. We're going to do it in a skillet. But pound it nice and thin, and then stuff it with some Parmesan, some green onion, and then roll it up, and then tie it jelly roll style, and then dredge in a little flour, and then you just finish them off here like in a cast iron pan or a skillet, 4 or 5 minutes, and that's all they need. And then it's got a recipe for a sauce to go with Dijon mustard, dry white wine, a little garlic, a little more chive, and some onion in there, and lemon peel too, so a little citrusy kind of Dijon sauce to go on your economical Dijon beef rolls. So a couple of recipes to think about for Valentine's Day if you want to try something new. If you're staying in this year, check out beeftips.com. That's Wisconsin Beef Council website. Right there on the homepage, click on As Seen on TV, and you'll find these recipes, plus some other recipes I picked out that I think would work perfectly for Valentine's Day this year.
All right, we got to get you back in the studio. I got to try these things.
I hope soon I can get back in there and see you.
All right, Ange, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.